X Corporation, formerly known as Twitter, is being sued in the federal court in Florida by a legal marketing company that claims the social media giant's new name infringes its trademark incorporating the letter X. The lawsuit by X social media claims that X Corp, which owner Mr. Elon Musk began rebranding to X from Twitter in July, was likely to cause consumer confusion. The lawsuit said the agency had used the X social media name since 2016 and owns a federal trademark covering it. The company said it has invested more than $400 million in Facebook advertising to reach potential clients, but Twitter's rebranding has confused its customers, causing it to lose revenue. The nation shares slid today to their lowest this year as worries over higher U.S. interest rates for a longer period gripped markets while the yuan wobbled near a one-year low, keeping traders on alert for a possible intervention. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside Japan fell 1.6% to its lowest since November 28, 2022. Japan's Nikkei fell 1.8%, while Hong Kong Hang Seng Index sank 3%. Chinese markets were closed for the week because of a Golden Week holiday. Futures indicated European stocks were due to open lower, with the Euro Stock 50 futures down 0.58%. German DAX futures lower and FTSE futures down 0.31%. Australia's S&P/ASX 200 index was 1.3% lower, while the Australian dollar sank 0.77% after the Russian Reserve Bank of Australia held interest rates steady yesterday for a fourth month and showed no urgency to hike again. In September, the British pound experienced its most challenging month against the US dollar in the past year. Unfortunately, strategists are expressing minimal optimism for the remainder of the year due to recurring weakening growth expectations. Sterling fell 3.75% against the dollar through the month. Classification on deadline and not seen since the end of last summer. The pound also slid 1.26% against the euro last month, notching its weakest performance since December. Market expectations for peak UK interest rates rose as high as 6.5% over the summer, and the country battled sticky inflation that was holding at high water levels, while consumer prices began to cool in other developed economies. Crude oil prices slipped by around 1% in early Asian trade today after falling to a 3-week low in the previous session. On stronger U.S. bond yields and mixed supply signals, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell to sell at $88.50 with a downward price review of 0.36%. Brent crude futures experienced a downward price margin of 0.51% to sell at $90.25 per barrel. Bonnie Light recorded a price decline of 2.37% to sell at $93.95. For the OPEC basket, crude dealers are offering $96.35 with a downward price review of 1.16%.